She looks pretty happy about it though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big cricket in her water dish. Gross. How many did you get altogether?
51.
51. That's specific.
Well, because that was the next cheaper, like a penny cheaper than way back.
No, it's $1 cheaper.
Oh, get it?
Oh. She went at it.
Oh, got it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's one coming up. Keep it on there. She's on the hunt now.
Only fits my foot. And it fits like the gauges are the size.
Get a ladybug.
Nice. The gauges are the size, but how big it is around is it? So like my diameter is off. I need to get bigger. She's gonna come get it. Just watching that other one on school now. Is this Brody's or a new one?
Oh, there she goes. That's Brody's. Mm-hmm. It's really gross.
Mm-hmm.
How many are left in there?
1.
No, there's
Two.
two. There's one on the smaller one that just went behind that big food dish. That was over here.
Don't, it's just on.
Oh, no, they're both over there at the skull. Just hold still, Ash. She keeps looking at you. Just hold it still. The one's in the corner and the other one's just sitting there on the skull. Measure.
This is the ones I ordered. So they put my helix, so it's not like I missed any money. Still not happy about it. Here she comes. Well, Sandy? The other one's hiding behind the food dish. You can see it's a tail.
No, there's one right there.
Well, then there's another one left right on the back of her food dish. There's another one hiding right there.
She's got two left. There she goes.
Nice.
So fast.
Sticky time.
I don't know if she's gonna see that other one over there in the corner.
Eventually it'll come out. Her belly's not so flat.